What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are actually on our way. Actually, I lied. We are already here. We are at Kushwa Brewery's car show. It's the first one of the year. So we're gonna take a look and see all the cool cars. We're gonna start off with this 296 and this S2000. 296. 296 is like a bullet right now. That's crazy. Good spec too. And then can't forget the S2000 because that's literally that's my baby right there, you know. Grand Prix white. Maybe AB2. It's clean too. It's clean. Oh, it's an AP1. It's clean though. Paint is like great. Alright, let's keep walking around and see what we find. I did see a Laguna Seca E46. We're gonna go show that too. Guys, literally my dream spec E46 is this. Laguna Seca blue with brown interior and manual. Literally my perfect car. Literally. Damn, Laguna is like such a good color. And then oh wow, look at that truck, it looks crazy. And then CSL airbox. We got a GT500 and a 991.2 Turbo S Cabriolet. 991.2 Turbo S Cabriolet. Wow. Oh wow, look at this this GT350. This is cool looking. Dude, it's so clean too. Another E46 M3. So good, man. I really do wish that they weren't so expensive because I probably would buy one, but I just can't justify paying like 35K for a 20-year-old car, and I don't know, it's just way too much money to me. Oh, we found John's car over there. It's a cool maybe TTRS? I like the wheels. It's cool.
So I know that, but I'll call it.
Little dog. Cool. 991.1 Carrera Cabriolet. Damn, pizza does smell good though, right? Mm-hmm. There's no cool. No, that's awesome.
Oh my god.
Hey, bud. No, that's cute. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, hey, bud. 991. Oh, I was like Holden's GT3RS. I didn't even realize it was his. Yeah, I was like, I didn't realize it was his car. of my dream cars, guys, is actually a 1967 Shelby GT500 from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. So it kind of looks like this. Honestly, my favorite part about these cars are the taillights, but I do love the fastback look. Like this car with the Eleanor color, the gray with the black, you know, that's like my dream car as well. So if I ever get really, really rich, I'll probably have one of those in my collection. Crazy blower, old truck. Oh.
That truck's got a Coyote hard out.
It's an Evo. It's good. It's kind of cool. Probably one of the best SUVs you can buy right now. X4M comp. So it's fly. I'm not gonna lie, that color is fly. Cool 570S. C7. GT500 actually, with a track pack, carbon wheels, carbon wing. Got red bussin'. Yeah, I think so. Sissio Performance RA GT and a 765 LT. We actually rocked this car at our shop like a while ago. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. And we wrapped that cup too. And it's crazy. Oh, and a 991.2 Turbo S. Yeah, I think so. Sissio Performance RA GT and a 765 LT. We actually rocked this car at our shop like a while ago. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. And we wrapped that cup too. And it's crazy. Oh, and a 991.2 Turbo S. We got a 991.2 Turbo S Cabriolet and a 765 LT, twin turbo R8. Yeah, I think so. Sissio Performance RA GT and a 765 LT. We actually rocked this car at our shop like a while ago. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. And we wrapped that cup too. And it's crazy. Oh, and a 991.2 Turbo S. We got a 991.2 Turbo S Cabriolet and a 765 LT, twin turbo R8. This is a cool 911, guys. It actually is missing the normal engine. Has a Corvette engine in it. It's cool. That's cool. That's my boys C6 Grand Sport. Fresh. Alright guys, well this is just a random video. I don't know how long it's gonna be. But I just wanted to show you guys some cool cars. Last one, GC350. That 296 is still over there. And then the M3 Type R. Another E46. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I just wanted to close out this video. I know it's a quick one, but I just wanted to show you guys some cool cars. And this was at the Kushwa Cars and Coffee opener, season opener. So it was a good one. Lee, what car was your favorite?
The Lambo, orange Lambo.
There was an orange 580. I actually really like that. Match my hoodie. I guess you don't like the F80, but it's fine. Alright, peace out guys. I'll see you guys next week.